Welcome to another recipes video. Today we'll be making a Panera Bread summer favorite, their summer corn chowder. This recipe makes a pot of corn chowder that's good for 4 people. But if you plan on making more or you want to get tips in making this recipe, make sure to check out the full version on our website, linked in the description box. Let's get right into cooking. First, heat oil and butter in a pot over low heat. Add in the onion and saute it until it becomes translucent. Add the corn, bell peppers and sweet potatoes. Then saute just quick enough to mix them together. Add in the flour, then roast briefly. Add in the wine to deglaze the mixture. Let it cook until the mixture has reduced and the wine has evaporated. Add in the vegetable stock and bring the mixture to a boil. Afterwards, reduce the heat to medium. Cover the pot and let it simmer for at least 15 minutes. Let it cook until the vegetables have softened. Also, don't forget to make sure that it has no raw flour taste. Use a stick blender to puree the ingredients until smooth. You can also transfer the soup mixture into a blender and puree into a smooth consistency. You may also need to strain the soup back into the pot to discard any leftover solids. Return the soup back to heat, then add in the cream. Season the soup with salt and pepper and adjust to your preferred taste. Stir the ingredients in order to combine. Evenly distribute the soup into bowls and garnish with diced tomatoes, a sprig of parsley, and you're all set to serve. Let us know if you love the comforting taste of our Panera Summer Corn Chowder by showing us a photo or commenting down below. We have more summer soup varieties in store for you on our website, so make sure to check it out. Hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy homemade recipes you will surely love. Thanks for watching and see you on our next recipe.